Yeah. Masuk ke 720. Yeah. So, check on again. Dito sa ating i-weld. Balikan natin na yes. Ay po.
You know, the
That's
all
good?
full, yeah.
Two, but I use only
200.
150.
Only this one, you ride with heavy.
That's for heavy.
Yeah, with the heavy. This machine, small one, small one.
But this is ordinary,
This one?
ordinary.
Yeah.
That's ordinary. That's free. As a was for this
It
one.
all, this ride, this full 200.
200.
This ride, okay, this one okay. This one.
That's why like that.
Yeah.
Only 150. Surprise.
Okay.
Thank you.
This one also stand?
Yeah, I know. I fabricate it. That's a removable. So sawa-sawa here, no?
Yeah.
This one inside. one setup.
How much this one?
340 something. 330 like that.
330. Oh.
Oh, online, no, online.
Online noon?
What is, Amazon.
Amazon?
Saudi Amazon.
Good.
It's good.
Yeah, no, good. You know?
I go.
Good. Yeah.
Quran.
Yeah.
So now malong ko.
220? 110?
Yeah, this 220 because that wanted. That's
This
need.
220 machine.
It's
This
also removable. It's removable.
yeah, one remove.
Yes. Ground.
And this one?
Just on.
Yeah, on off.
This one also.
Okay, good.
This one removable. Sorry.
All folding.
Yeah.
Good one.
It's good, no?
Yeah.
Bring Philippines kalas.
Yeah.
You order. So if you want money, extra money, you order and then you bring your home. It's good.
So because this is only little one. Big one.
Not big. Because this is 3,900 watts. That's possible
Yeah,
for
possible.
big.
Maybe this one is not same like this. Only
Like
like this.
it's part.
No, only
Not-
maybe 2 inch, 3 inch full belt. After the heat problem. But you know why home India is sometime this one
Yeah.
like this. Same all. Same. Well, this how much Indian 700.
700 only.
Yeah.
Very little.
No, this is 7,000.
7,000. In Germany, no?
Yeah, Indian money 7,000. This machine maybe 2 must work. No
Ah,
problem.
it's good, no?
Yeah, this one good.
But here have that one like that.
No.
No have.
No.
Here.
This one, this make this Punjab, Indian Punjab. This
Also
make.
already have online that
India?
company. Yeah, about that everything.
I don't know this have
Yeah,
online.
online
or
or
not.
what, you know.
Yeah, maybe this maybe go Punjab after take this one. Maybe how many years? Maybe 8 years.
Good.
What machine is my home only stay. Make my home building वाला तो. Good. But not this is good.
Yeah.
Home.
Syukran. Thank you. Ayan po, ano natin. So, kulang, ngayon lang po. Inumpisa, ngayon ko lang ginamit ulit ito. So, ayan po. Okay na po siya. Sinubukan po natin para alam natin na gumagana yung in-order po natin na welding, portable welding machine. So, yun. Ayan. Sige. At, okay. So, pinulang lang ako kanina na setup. Dapat 200. Ginawa ko lang 150 kaya ayaw automatic. So, ayun po. Okay na. At nagpapakit po tayo ng order. Ayan. Removable order. Yes, yan. Bali na ito. Aluminum para hindi nag-spark. So, ang gagawin na natin ay para mailagay dyan. So, yan, tapos na po siya. Ilikit na po natin siya. So, ito natin. Lagyan natin sa yung nasubukan po natin yan. Okay na yung kapit niya. So ito naman yun, order ng ating kalam. So, kita ko lang muna. So, tapos tayo mag-weld. So, linisin lang po natin ito. po yung ginawa natin. Ayan. So, ginawa natin ay stand. Okay. So, yun po yan. So, yan po. Ilalak lang po natin yan para hindi malabo. Tapos, ito naman yung tank ng oil, US oil. O, so, open na po yun. So, wala pa sila laman. Of course, simula pa lang yun. Ayan. So, dyan po ilalagay yung oil. Cooking used oil. Pwede na mapapansin niyo po ay ito naman yung blower. So, lagay po natin. Ang kulang na lang po nito na ay blower. So, o-order pa po tayo sa online yung blower po niya. So, pag may blower na po yan, pwede na po yung pagganahin. Removable lang po yan. Ayan. So, ayan po. Ayan po, bagong ball. Seal. Ayan. Dito po natin sasigaan. Dito po yung oil. Ayan po yung pipe niya. Dito pipe. Direkta po yung ano dyan, oil. Dahan-dahan lang yung oil niya. So, sa sigaan, mga 2 minutes, 3 minutes, painitin po natin yan. Tapos, bali, i-open po natin itong blower. Kung may blower na, saka doon lalabas yung magandang apoy. Wala po siyang wala po siyang uling. So, yan po yan. Ito po. Yan po yan. Ayan. So, yun lang po. Maraming salamat and